Hello and welcome to Learn It All. Today I'll show you how to make updates to a website and deploy the changes on Amazon Web Services using Elastic Beanstalk. So this is the website that we have up and running on AWS. And for a demo, how to change the name from Clean Blog to Learn It All Blog and deploy the change on AWS. Let's go ahead and open the IDE. Now, your application could be running from your local server or your development server. And you can see that's running on the local Tomcat in my computer. I will go ahead and change the name from Clean to Learn It All. Save the changes. And when I load the website, you can see that the name has changed to Learn It All Blog. So the next step is going to be creation of a WAR file. So right click on your project and export WAR file. Click on Save to save the WAR file in your preferred location. Click on Finish. All right, well, let's go to the AWS console. And we need to get into Elastic Beanstalk. Click on the environment that you want to deploy the changes into. And this is where we need to upload and deploy the change. Let's click on Upload and Deploy and choose File. Select the WAR file that we had just created and click Open. You can change the name if you want and click on Deploy. So this process is going to upload the new WAR file into AWS. It's going to take a while. Okay, seems like the upload was successful, and now we can go back to our website and see if the changes were deployed or not. So let's refresh the page. There you go. So you can see that the changes have been deployed on your website. That is it for today, guys. See you in my next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for instant notification on new videos.